Good evening, friends. Today's topic is static keyword in the Java, and today's date is 11 August 2021. My name is Yogesh Raut, and we have to start our today's topic, static keyword. Static keyword is used for to memory management mainly. Means the static keyword is a static keyword is a variable with we can use in the methods also and blocks also and the nested class also. The static keywords belongs to the class, then an instance of the class. Then there are four types we can use the static keyword. We can create declare the variable static declare, and static methods also declare, and the static blocks also we can declare, and fourth one is nested class also we can declare as a static. Then we have to see about the static variable. What is the static variable? It can be declared as the we can be declared as a static variable. The static variable is used to the refer commonly property for all the objects. In this scenario, we have to not create any objects in the in main methods of static keywords or static methods also. Like we have to which is not which is not used in the uniquely for all each objects. The static variables gets memory only once in the class area and at the time of the class loadings. Means not every time we have to allocate the memory for static keywords. Then how should we declare? We have to declare one examples of a static keywords. Suppose we have to declare one class students, and declare the variable integer roll number. Second one string name, and third one is string college, and is equal to Nestor College. This is an instance, but in this scenario every object will have to create the variable memory allocated, but when we have to declare the static means the college name will use in the every person or every candidates of college. Then the college name will be printed on the of the college students. Then suppose we can declare the static of college name, string static and college. When we declare, then once we declare, then all time we have to reusing of that static keywords. Then memory will be allocated only once times and used in the many of times. Then another we have to declare the also we can use in the instance class and the static keywords. Roll number is equal to m, and name is equal to n. Then we have to declare the one another instance method of display, and the in this display method we have to display the all these things: roll number, name, and the static keywords college. Means in this scenario we have to not create any objects of this static keywords. We can accessible without any objects. From the main method we have to initialize the value of instance methods variables name and their roll numbers, and we can call to that methods by using object 1 and object 2. And when we call to that these methods object 1 and object 2, every time we have to declare an objects and call to that methods. But in the static method static variable we have not to call this. Then in memory allocations, when we create the stack create the objects, the allocate in the stack memory and the heap memory also. We have to then another topic is static methods. Then in the static methods, if you means we can apply the static keywords in any methods, then it is known as a static methods. For example, means every method or any block or any variable we have to declare the static keywords. Means without static keywords we cannot call the static variable or static methods. Then we have to perform the static methods. Then we have to static methods belongs to the class rather than the object of class. Means The static methods can be invoked all without need the creating an instance of class. Means we have not create any local, means use an instance methods we can declare the static methods. A static methods can access static data members and we can change the value of it. Means updations of the variables and value can be updated into the static variable. For example, you have to see another one example, static integer square. Then integer x value can be integer x value can take value can be passed by main methods. Then we have to perform the return x into x. Then we have to call from this main methods from the parameters of int result I is equal to calculate dot q square. Then we can perform the mention the value of 5. Then this will call to the cube square class square methods of static. Then it will perform and mention the value of our static. The static methods can be used as a non-static data members, cannot be used as non-static data members and the non-static methods directly. And these keywords and the super keywords cannot be used in the static keywords. Then static block it is used in the initialize the static data members and it is executed before the main methods at the class loading. This is also known as the static block. Our today's topic is completed. Bye.